What does fit for purpose technology really mean, I suppose, in fundraising, and why is it critical for kind of more sustainable and smarter growth for kind of donation organizations?
Yeah, sure. So what it means for us is really putting the fundraiser and the donor at the center of what we do. And I know everyone in the sector is doing that every day, but it's using technology as to enable that even more so. So fit for purpose means that the technology is designed with and for fundraisers to enhance and allow you to achieve your mission more easily. It means faster time to value when you're implementing this type of technology using pre-configured workflows that are tailored for your industry. It also means that the chosen technology should grow with you. You know, as your organization expands, you shouldn't need to go back out to market to find something else because it hasn't grown with you. Um, and ultimately, from our perspective, it means choosing a platform that works with the tools that you're already used to using, um, uh, being able to integrate other offerings like Dataro into, clever fundraising, um, and it really being an enabler for the future. So being able to take advantage of um, AI and all that brings. So examples include being able to draft content like emails and campaigns, easily summarizing interactions, more easily identifying donors that are likely to donate and personalizing material to them.
Katie, how about you?
Yeah, definitely agree with everything that Jono mentioned. I think ultimately it is just having technology that is doing what you want it to do and not having to be highly customized, long implementation times. Every time you want to make a change, it's very difficult. But actually giving you the insights and the outcomes that you want it to. I think we're seeing this trend across the industry, right? A lot of nonprofits moving from legacy CRMs or maybe even just information in Excel, right, to technology that's actually helping them do their job better. And not only that, but technology that helps break down silos, right? So we don't need this swivel chairing anymore where we have information and data that's sitting everywhere. You need technology that is fully integrated. And taking away those silos and that manual rather than adding more manual work. And I want to double down on the scaling aspect as well. Technology that as you grow doesn't need to be reconfigured or you don't need to move to a new system. I believe with both Clever and Dataro, they're very fast implementation and able to, I guess, utilize those insights right away.
Yeah, definitely. I think that's something that we see with our customers as well. I think there's been a culture of going best of breed, and that's been great. But the problem is people have 10, 15 solutions for kind of one department inside their organization. It kind of just slows everything down, and people are having to do manual exports, and kind of there's a lot of manual hand holding between the different systems.